Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing an exciting upcycling project where I transformed this old, dusty shoe rack into a stunning, vintage-inspired console. Let me take you through the process step by step. I started by dusting off the shoe rack, which had been sitting on my terrace for over a year. Once it was clean, I sanded the entire surface to prepare it for painting. Next, I used Sundune chalk paint to give it a fresh look. I painted the entire shoe rack in this soft, neutral shade. After that, I added a floral stencil design on the sides and front, using a combination of modeling paste and paint. For the inside of the shoe rack, I chose a green color. But it didn't quite suit the overall look. So, I painted over it again with Sundune chalk paint. The colors mixed beautifully, creating an amazing turquoise shade. I absolutely love this unexpected result. To enhance the look, I painted vibrant flowers on the front sides of the shoe rack using bold red and green colors. I also drew freehand designs on the stenciled areas with modeling paste, including a bird sitting on a branch, which I extended upwards with colorful freestyle painting. For a European retro vibe, I added wooden stencils to the bottom of both sides. I hooked them on with nails and painted them golden for a 3D effect. On the front side, I stenciled floral designs along the edges of each drawer, painted them golden, and added a vintage touch using black paint to create depth and character. For the top, I glued rice paper and then added freehand flowers and leaves to tie the whole piece together. This step brought a personal and artistic touch to the console. And here it is, the final look. My once neglected shoe rack has been completely transformed into a beautiful, functional console to store all my paints and art supplies. I couldn't be happier with how it turned out. If you enjoyed this project and want to see more upcycling ideas, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments what you think of this transformation. Until next time, happy crafting!